Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I decorated this cake from the stacking to all the decorations you're seeing here. This 3 steps cake from A to Z. So join me as we do it together. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new video. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting a lot of my new video. If I drop new video, you will get an alert. To my old subscribers, you're all welcome back again. Don't forget to like this video, give me some thumbs up, appreciate me, so that other people will be able to see this video and also watch it as well. Feel free to comment and also feel free to ask questions. Okay, I covered this cake in my last video. If you have not watched how I cover this lovely cakes, make sure to check on my description box. I'll be putting the link on the description box below, so feel free to watch the video. Thanks. You can see right now I'm trying to put the second cake, but I just remember that I did not add the small dowel rod, I call it the pillars, to hold the second cake. But I can't do anything because I don't need story that touches the heart, so I have to remove the cake again and add them so that I'll be at the right place. So I have to add my dowel rocks, the small ones, measure it out, cut it out, and I'll start adding. Another thing you'll notice, the stacking board you're seeing right here, I constructed it myself with carton. Yes, I said neat carton and my cling film. Sometimes I also use foil paper. So if you want to know how I constructed that stacking board, feel free to also check on the description box below. I'll also add the video on how you can do yours. If you are new to my channel, this is the first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for? You can join this lovely family by clicking on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my newest video. If I drop new video, you will get an alert. Seriously, subscription is free, just for you to be getting a lot of my new videos, so that you'll not be mixing my videos. Feel free, I also have my fondant recipe on my channel. Feel free to check on the description. I'll also add the link there. I'm using royal icing to pipe the body. You can see what I'm using right now is royal icing to pipe the body. That's what I'm using right now. If you love what you're seeing, give me some thumbs up. Click on the like button, click on the share button. Please tell somebody about Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. Our cake is looking so beautiful. Thank you so much for watching this video. Progressive Cakes and Nourishment loves you. Bye bye.